What's going on, people? It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue, C. Nashti. Mr. Never Ashamed, so honestly, thank yourself. And we are back, people. The chosen one with the golden tongue is back, and I got the golden mic too, baby. So, all right, people, what's going on? So let's get serious about this. Let's get serious. Because as you've seen in the title, there are some people that are really hurt right now. There are some people right now that are really in their rooms every single night listening to Sade, listening to old Drake, listening to TLC, listening to Tony Braxton, Unbreak My Heart. Literally because they need you back in their lives, chosen ones. Empaths. These people are literally in their rooms crying every night, crying themselves to sleep, embellishing in the thought of the times you and them had together, and dwelling in the thought of the rejection you unleashed on them when they tried to come back. When they try to come back for cuffing season, or when they try to come back over the summer, when they try to come back earlier this year, or when they're going to try to come back, because you know they're going to try to come back. They've been seeing you winning out there, chosen one. They've been seeing you putting in that work. They've been seeing you shooting in the gym. But they don't want to give you your credit. They can't give you your credit. It's not in their nature to give credit. It's not in their nature to give you your flowers while you're still alive. They broke your heart and they hoped you died. You know what I'm saying? How many of y'all got left for dead out there in the street, in these streets? How many of y'all got left for dead in the desert? You know what I mean? And then they try to come back acting all sweet, talking about, hey, what's up, big head? Comment in the comment section if they've been trying to get back with you, if they've been trying to holler at you and you really had to just slice and dice on their ass. What the? Like, nah, you not coming back in to just come and ruin everything I done worked up for, everything I done worked on. I done healed myself. How the hell I done healed myself from you, and then yet I'ma just get back with you? Nah, that don't make psychological sense, player. That don't make sense right there at all. It doesn't. Chosen ones, empaths, you gotta understand, these people are in such embarrassment right now. Within themselves, they hold so much shame and regret inside of their heart right now for the simple fact of the way they treated you in the moment when you needed them the most. Huh? Chosen ones, on those dark nights, those nights when your mind was spiraling out of control, when you felt like you were emotionally diseased, huh? And then you had to go to work the next day with a whole mental paralysis just because of the heartache that this person put you through, just because of this person and their antics and their little Decepticon ways. These people are embarrassed to even try to even make a return. Some of them have no shame. Some of them have no shame at all. And they'll try to come back so fast once they see that you're on your journey to your prosperity, huh? Once they see that you're the crab that's about to make it out of the bucket, they're going to try to pull you back down. No, come back, please. No, I'm not coming back. You're right. I'm out of here. I did the same thing too, chosen ones, empaths. I had to slice and dice people like Bruce Lee at a freaking Chinese buffet. Straight wata. For real. I had to slice and dice these people. Like, these people were holding me back. Some people were really just holding me back from my true potential. And I was blinded by it. I was blinded by the lights until I put some goggles on. I put some spirit seeing goggles on, and I started seeing people's true colors. I started seeing the snakes in the grass for who they really were. I started seeing the females that were playing just games in my life like dominoes, and I was the one that had to feel the effect when the dominoes were falling. You know what I'm saying? They just set up the dominoes. I had to watch them fall one by one. How many of y'all had to watch the domino fall one by one in y'all relationship? Comment in the comment section. Let me know. Man, like I'm saying, chosen ones, empaths, these people right now, they regret. And I'm telling you, believe me when I tell you, they regret the fact of what they did to you. That's number one. They regret what they did to you. But the most thing that they really, the most impactful pain on their heart right now is that they don't even have a chance to apologize. They don't even have a chance. They could apologize. They don't even have a chance to get back with you, chosen ones, empaths. There might have been a time where you were blinded by the lights also, and you would let this person run amok in your life. You would let them run amok in the relationship. You know what I'm saying? And you let love blind you. I've been there myself. I've been there. You let the love blind you, and you give them chance after chance after chance. But now the tables have turned. Oh, how the tables have turned, chosen ones. Oh, how the tables have turned. Empaths, no more games. The fun and games are over. Playtime over. It's the big league. Huh? And chosen ones, you done stepped up game. Empaths, you done leveled up, and you done realizing yourself that, you know what, I'm taking my power back, and I'm not gonna just leave my love, my divine energy, my attention, my validation in the arms, in the hands of somebody who evidently can't appreciate it, and just let it slip right through their fingers. You know what I'm saying? These people are accidents waiting to happen. Get away from them. This message is just not for the people who already got their cutoff game on point. This message is also for the people who do not have their cutoff game on point yet. People, it is time for you to realize the enemy that's in disguise. You know what I'm saying? When there's the demon in disguise, stop sleeping with the enemy. If you got the enemy right next to you, you're gonna be blinded by the lights. Get what I'm saying? You're in a dark place and you're still blinded by the lights. Because you have the enemy right beside you, just tricking you, the trickster, the little, you know what I'm saying? Your little evil twin buddy. This doesn't go for just relationships, it's friendships also. You know what I'm saying? Get those people away from you that you feel like are just draining you, or they don't add value to you. They just don't have anything going good in your favor. Chosen ones, empaths. But the ones that got their cutoff game on point, they already cut off who they had to cut off. God is telling me to tell you, this is from God through my mouth to your ears right now. These people are feeling the effects of your absence right now. And it is like, it's tearing them apart inside. They are in shambles. You have to understand the power you have in your absence. The power in your absence and your silence is tearing them apart like a horror movie. You're like Freddy in her nightmares. In his nightmares right now. They dream about you. They reminisce about the good times. They're thinking about it all the time, chosen ones. I know you feel the energy too. You just be chilling sometimes. Sometimes you fellas, you probably just playing some video games or something. You just out. Females, you just out chilling, getting your nails done. And then bam, this Decepticon just pop right into your head, just trying to make an appearance. Like, what? Why you texting my thoughts for? Like, yo, security? Call security on their ass, because why they just popping up in your headspace like they just think of, like, looking for attention, like hoping you feel the same way, like hoping you miss them. Like, nah, buddy. Nah, buddy. Nobody miss you over here. Feel me? You done did your bullshit. Now stay on the other side. When you thought with the grass was greener on the other side, stay on the other side and enjoy it. Because I don't need you pooping all over my new lawn. They see your new lawn looking all good, huh? Now they want to come and just poop all over your new lawn like, nah. You pooped on my old lawn. You thought some new grass was greener on that side. You went and found out that grass was fake over there. They were just using some old fake old grass. You know what I mean? And they want to come to your grass because your grass looking all good. You know what I mean? Looking all fluffy. Oh, damn deceptive. Damn, I can't stand these deceptioneers, these deceptionists. All they do is practice the art of deception. But listen, this video went on long enough. Like I said, they are crying over you. They miss you, chosen one. Keep doing what you do. You know what I'm saying? Keep stunting on them. You know what I mean? You ain't cocky, you confident. Feel me? So just keep throwing it more on them and more on them and more on them. You know what I mean? Shit, make them mad. Feel me? They still love you, even though they hate you. It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue, baby. C Nasty, Mr. Never Say Honesty. Thank yourself. One love.